Hey there, it's Marcus from RDP Arena. If you've ever tried downloading a Google Drive file directly on a Linux VPS, you already know it's not as simple as copying the drive link and pasting it into the terminal. That usually does not work properly. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to download Google Drive files directly to your Linux VPS using the tool Gdown. I'm already connected to my Linux VPS from my Mac terminal. Before we start, let's quickly check what's inside this VPS right now. I'll type ls and press enter. As you can see, this is a fresh VPS, so there are no files here yet. Now let's go to Google Drive and look at the file we want to download. Here I have a 100 megabyte bin file in my Google Drive. To make sure your VPS can access this file, you need to change the sharing settings first. Select the file, then click the Share button. Under General Access, change it to Anyone with the link. This step is important because your VPS is not logged into your Google account. So if the file is private, the download will fail. Once you have selected Anyone with the link, click Copy Link. Now paste that link into a text editor. The link you copied will look like a normal Google Drive sharing link, but we need to slightly change it so Gdown can download the file correctly. In the link, remove the part that says file/d/ and replace that part with UC?ID equals. Now go to the end of the link and remove everything starting from /view. After you make this change, your link is ready to be used in the terminal. Copy the full edited link. Now head back over to your terminal. To download the file from Google Drive, you need to use a Python package called Gdown. Before you install Gdown, you need to make sure your VPS has pip installed for Python 3. If Python and pip are already installed on your VPS, you can skip this part. If they are not installed, type out sudo apt install python 3-pip, making sure to leave a single space between each word. This command tells your VPS to install Python 3 pip using the apt package manager. The word sudo means you are running the command with administrator permissions. Once you've typed the command, press enter. If your VPS asks for your sudo password, enter the same password you used to log into your VPS, then press enter. You may also see a message asking whether you want to continue because extra disk space will be used. When you see that, type Y and press enter. Now Python and pip will both start installing on your VPS. While that runs in the background, I want to quickly share something exciting with you. We're currently running a special sale with 20% off on all RDP slots. Simply use the code you see on your screen during checkout to grab your discount. If you've been thinking about upgrading your RDP plan or trying out one of our premium servers, this is the perfect chance for you to get started. Don't wait too long though. Stocks are limited, and this sale won't be around forever. Now let's get back to the video. As you can see, Python and pip have both finished installing successfully on the VPS. Now we can go ahead and install Gdown itself. To do that, type out sudo pip install Gdown, making sure to leave a single space between each of those 4 words. This command uses pip to install the Gdown package on your VPS. Once you have typed it out, hit enter. As you can see, Gdown has now been installed successfully. Now you can download the Google Drive file. Type Gdown, then add a space, and then paste the edited Google Drive link you copied earlier. Now press enter to begin the download. The download has now finished. Now let's confirm that the file is actually on the VPS. Type ls again and press enter. There you go. The file is now showing in the current directory, which means it has been successfully downloaded from Google Drive to your Linux VPS. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the bell icon for future notifications. In case you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.